Hi everyone, my name is Debbie Wells. I work and live in Ohio. I'm somewhere between Dayton and Cincinnati, and I am a licensed social worker. My current job is with a community mental health agency, and my primary function is homeless outreach. The majority of my clients and the people that I interact with are homeless in the community, some in shelter, some couch surfing, some sleeping outside or in vehicles, and I see a lot of treated and untreated mental health. The way that I participate in diagnosing is I perform assessments on a regular basis, usually several a week. I do the diagnostics, come up with a diagnosis. I consult weekly with the psychiatrist on staff and work pretty closely in collaboration with our local hospital's psychiatric unit. One of the things that I have come to understand and see about mental health is many people, particularly younger, have a difficult time realizing, accepting that they may have mental health issues. And I've seen with drug use, it really makes it difficult sometimes as a clinician to separate the addiction and the addict behavior and the effects of the drugs and the mental health symptoms. So part of what I know is that it's very challenging for me sometimes to say what's a mental health symptom, what's something that you would attribute to drug use. So my tendency in this process is to start with a more broad diagnosis, for example, depression, and to kind of watch and observe and interact with people over time to see if I notice any additional symptoms, if there's any change, if they are able to get into drug and alcohol treatment to see if there's any change in behaviors once they become clean and sober. Also working with the psychiatrist, we look at their response to medications and other treatments to see if there's any indication there that the diagnosis may not be completely accurate. So it's kind of a fluid process for me. And I'm really looking forward to this class because I'm always looking for ways to improve what I do. It is critical, I think, to get the diagnosis correct, because if the diagnosis isn't right, obviously then any interventions and treatments that stem from that aren't going to be something that's going to be effective. So I'm looking forward to the class. I'm looking forward to getting to know everybody, and thank you all for watching.